Hey guys, let's discuss this problem on cumulative distribution table. This problem says the water bills in rupees of 32 houses in a certain street for the period of a certain date to certain date are given below. So these are the 31 observations. You can see here this date start from 1 and ending at 31, which means in this period there are going to be 31 observations which represents you water bills in rupees. So using these observations, what you need to calculate? Tabulate the data and present the data as a cumulative frequency table using 70 to 79 as one of the class interval. As they are saying that you are going to use this interval as one of the class interval in the class interval sequence. So here from this class interval you can easily calculate the class size, which is going to be 79 minus 70, which will give you 9. So now rest of the class interval, how are you going to write? Let's see. Here in this frequency table you can see here our first column represents class interval, our second column represents water bill or the observations falling under these intervals, frequency and the cumulative frequency. You know that you can only calculate the cumulative frequency when you have the frequency column. Now we have taken our first interval as 20 to 29. Why? Because you can see here our observations such as 24 and 27. That's why instead of starting from 10 to 19, I have started from 20 to 29. You know that you need to start your interval from 70 to 79. And that will give you the class size of 9. That's why when you subtract 29 minus 20, then this will give you the class size of 9 as well. So these are the two observations which are falling under this interval, which means this will become the frequency. So here this will give you the frequency column. Now for the interval of 30 to 39, how many observations are falling under this interval? You can see here there are exactly 6 observations. So this is 32, 38, 35, 35, 30 and 35. So there are 6 observations. Now how will you calculate this cumulative frequency? As you know that you are going to write the first frequency as it is and then you will add this frequency with 6, which will give you 8. After this you will add this 8 with 5 and this will give you 13. This will go on like this, and you know that this and this should be same. If they are not same, then you are doing some mistake somewhere. So to check your answer, you should match both of these. Now we have done the same thing for the other intervals, and our last interval is going to be 90 to 99. Why? Because you can see here our maximum value of the water bill is 95. So you need not to go further. This is going to be the end interval and this is going to be the start interval. I really hope there should be no doubt. You needed to represent this data in a tabular form, and that's what you have done here. I will be taking more problems in the coming video lectures. Thank you.